Hey guys, what's up? In this Blender from Scratch series, I'm gonna teach you how to use Blender and I'm gonna show you the easiest way to do it. You are going to learn how to download it, install it, also the first commands in the viewport. So look, you are going to learn how to model your first object like a side table, for example. So if you like it, I'm gonna ask you to subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to leave your like as well. So let's get the ball rolling. So welcome everyone to this basic Blender tutorial. I'm very excited to start this new series on my channel. Actually, it's the first one. And I believe this will help a lot of people that want to learn Blender for the first time, or even for those who want to learn the 3D basics. Because using the techniques I'm going to teach you here, you can use it in any other 3D software. But obviously, maybe the tools that I will show you here in this course can be in a different place or in a different with a different name depending on the software you are going to use. Okay, so that's why I really recommend that you use Blender and Octane, because it's going to be much easier for you to follow me step by step. Okay, so what is the Blender software? The Blender is a 3D software where you can create anything from the real life or even from your mind. So it's where your scene is gonna be. So we can create models from it, we can import models from other source into it. So it's where we're going to visualize everything like polygons, edges, vertices. Also, it's where we are going to texture and lighting our scenes. So it's the base for whatever we are going to do, okay? As we have Blender, we also have the SketchUp. Probably you guys already know it, and it is also a 3D software, but it hasn't the same number of tools as we have in Blender. You can do a lot of things with it, but it can't have the same possibilities as we have in Blender. Also, there are other softwares like 3ds Max, Maya, Cinema 4D, and many others, okay? And what is the Octane render engine? Imagine a professional camera. So basically, this is what the Octane software is. It's a camera inside Blender. It's responsible for generate images. So whatever you create inside Blender, if you want to take a picture of it, you are going to use this professional camera. In this case, Octane. Of course, it's much more complex than that, but I believe this is a good analogy for now. We are going to talk more about it in the future, okay? So if you want to compare Octane, we can compare it to V-Ray, for example, that goes inside SketchUp or 3ds Max. I'm saying it because I know a lot of people use it. So even Cycles is another render engine. Cycles comes with Blender as well, okay? They are very good render engines, but I chose Octane because you can have great results much faster, and it's very intuitive. You don't need to do much to have an amazing result. So things that maybe would take, I don't know, around 4 hours to do it in Cycles, you can do it in 2 hours using Octane. So that's the reason. But again, you can reach the same result using any other render engine as well, okay? So the last topic to discuss in this video is that the Octane render uses GPU to generate the image. So what is it? The GPU is a graphic card. As far as I know, Octane needs the NVIDIA graphic card. And if you have Mac, probably you can use it using the AMD, okay? This is very important because we use it in the advanced lessons that we are going to need it in the advanced lessons. But for now, for the basic ones, we are not going to need it because we are not rendering anything. So don't worry about Octane for now, okay? So in the next lessons, we are going to learn how to download Blender and install Blender, and also the overall Blender interface and workspace. Okay, so see you guys, see you in the next video.